Hello guys, in this lesson we will learn how to create low poly style rocks and grass. We will try to create something like this, and let's start. Shift A, cube, I will create shape something like this, so I will rotate this part. And to create a rock I will use a bisect. Need to press A to select everything, and let's cut our cube to rock. Can also move this arrow. And the first rock is okay. Let's create one more rock. You can also use Ctrl-Shift-B if you want to add some cut. Now let's add the colors. Need to create material. Let's call it rock. Need to change color to image texture. You can find this texture in the description. When I create rocks, I always prefer to use gradient colors. Because, for example, let's add a solid color for this rock to see which one is better. So as for me, gradient looks more interesting. And Ctrl A to apply scales. And now let's create a grass. That's great. Let's do something like this. And let's copy it. So let's scale this and rotate. Now we need to add some variation to this grass because it looks too boring. Something like this. Now let's join all grass to one and apply texture. It also uses texture. A U project from U, and for grass we also will use a gradient. And let's see what we have. Okay, let's change roughness to 1. To rocks. Let's create some small seed to see our results. And our models are ready. In the next lesson we will learn how to create wooden barrel. So subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.